number 62. And we have Counselor Perkins. Miss Shetzer. Okay, and Mr. Smith. Here we have senior guys with a 496 Big Luck Shoe. And audience, if you look at their engine, how green does it look? Let's get some morale here. Do they look good? Give a hurrah, hurrah. Yeah. Okay, next, in the middle here, to my left, we have the first time ever senior females with a 491. We have 9th grade, 10th grade, 11th graders building a 388. They got the small block. And can we get some hurrah for them? Otherwise, back on correctly first with no mistake. Mr. Harris, get off each distance by footsteps, your feet. Good job, motors. All right, make sure they on anything. Mark's going to be on both ends. Only 3 people. Senior guys is cheating. Leo, step back. Only 3 guys on that wiring crew. Okay, can we get a hurrah? Sophomores, freshmen, step out front. Most grown team. 388, come on. Any hurrahs, any hurrahs. Okay. And male senior, step out front. You ready? Juniors, sophomores, freshmen. Okay, and last but not least, senior females. Next category was the prettiest. And crowd, if we start with the senior females crowd, we're looking at the prettiest nation. Give a hurrah for the senior females. How pretty is that nation? Next, freshman, sophomore, junior. Come on, crowd, give a hurrah. And last but not least, senior male. Rough. Okay. And we're going to start out with the juniors, sophomores, and freshmen. Start it out. Let it run for about 30, 40 seconds. Go ahead. Senior male. Hardest hitting and idle.